I get a ball spot because.
They went boo-boo to us, and now they want to talk to us. I was like, boo-boo you.
Who said that?
Those kids.
Oh.
Like, boo-boo you.
Well, now they want to know about your cup.
Got solo cup. It ain't red, so I can't sing the actual song.
I don't know if my cup's going to make this turn.
It has failed once before. Everyone's doing their hair out of car music.
Where'd they go? What's up?
No. No. You got a rock in your tire.
Does he?
And you're like, oh, what's that smell?
It's fucking his cattle fucking shitting his fucking his fucking turd.
It smells like burning electrical oil.
Hey, bro. Got a cup.
No.
And it's on the hood. We had that downtown too, remember? The hood, outside, the truck, the car.
My smell is more smelly. Like electrical burning.
It's your shit. Let me out. Let me get my shit. Oh yeah, don't let me forget my crate.
I may stop and check this.
When? Where?
Right up here at the gas station.
Oh, not that one.
You want it to burn down? I don't smell.
Well, 'cause we're up in the fucking air from the wind. It's probably blowing it away, right?
Yeah. O'Reilly's parking lot?
Yeah, O'Reilly's. Not that gas station. Fuck that. It might be a robbery.
Smells like something burning.
Popcorn.
We'll go under the lights.
If it breaks down, we're here.
We're close. I don't smell it. You lie.
Take me home, motherfucker.
Take me home. Where's the curb? Shit. Where is?
Isn't there?
I don't know where though.
Oh yeah, you passed it.
Okay, you know how there's a curb